Well, good morning, everyone. Thanks for logging on here to southernindianaweather.com for our latest forecast discussion. It is Saturday morning, and folks, the 90s are gone. Hallelujah. Uh, wow. It's been a rough 2 weeks with the high temperatures for many of us around the area, but folks, we have a great forecast coming up. We just have to deal with a little bit of rain lingering through the area today, but then after that, folks, I have got some very pleasant temperatures for you around the area. Here's what our Southwest Skycam looks like right now from the live view here from the Southern Indiana Weather Office here at about 8:26 a.m. Eastern Time, and you can see it's sort of a partly cloudy sky out there right now. Now off to the other direction, which I don't have a Skycam pointing on yet. That's in the works for the future, but that direction is a little bit more cloudy, so it's a bit deceiving right now. It's sort of a sun and cloud mix out there as we take a live look at radar and we put it into motion here. You can see we still got some lingering showers out of the area. They're starting to die out a little bit, but we still have some around the area. You also have more clouds moving in from the west, so it looks like it's going to be sort of a sun and cloud mixed day. There will be times that we go partly cloudy, times that we end up with mostly cloudy, and we should have an isolated rain chance, really, or isolated to slightly scattered throughout the day, but certainly not a deluge by any means, and certainly nothing that would cancel your plans. So don't let that stop you. But as you see with the live view here, we do have a little bit of shower activity getting ready to cross over into some of our northern counties up here. But by and large, most of that is gone. Now, this is all a result of a front that is now moved through. As we continue on to put this forward in time, high pressure is eventually going to take charge and is going to be large and in charge for us. That cold front goes well to our south. It's going to put us firmly in the zone the next couple of days of being in the mostly sunny range. And folks, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. As we take a look at temperatures over your next couple of days, you're going to enjoy this, folks. Here we go this afternoon, and you can see we're only into the mid to upper 70s across the area for a high temperature today. Then watch as we go in tonight. Watch how the 50s, and this is temperatures, not dew points. We'll talk about that in a second. Look at temperatures. By the time we reach tomorrow morning, temperatures are invading the upper 50s as far south as the southern portions of the Ohio River here, even to the upper 40s by the time you get into places in central Indiana. It's going to be a nice chilly night, and it's going to get even cooler than this around the area. Let's take a look at dew points as well, because folks, this is the pleasant. Dew points, if you're not familiar with it, by the way, are a measure of humidity in the atmosphere. It's been muggy, but take a look at this. The muggy weather's going to stick around at least for a little bit. Here we are at 8 a.m. and we're still sitting on upper 60s to near 70 dew points. That's still a bit muggy. But as we put the high-res NAM here into motion, watch as we go throughout the day as we drop into the mid 60s for our dew points. By the time tonight comes, look at this. Here we are talking 11 p.m. tonight. Watch the 50s start invading during the overnight hours. In fact, our dew points by the time you wake up tomorrow morning will be in the low 50s. Folks, that's virtually no humidity at all. It is going to be an extremely pleasant day. In fact, humidity is only going to be a rebound in the portions of southern Indiana, mid to upper 50s tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the absolute pick of the day with temperatures in the 70s and absolutely no humidity and mostly sunny skies. Make some outdoor plans, folks. It is going to be absolutely fantastic. And we've got a string of nice weather on the way, too, as we take a look at the GFS ensembles over the next 16 days. Highest it takes us is to 85. I'm not even forecasting that. I think 81 is the highest over the next 10 days that I've got in my outlook. I think this is running just a little bit too warm. We do have some rain chances to deal with later in the week, but no 90s in sight, and folks, that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at your latest 10-day forecast. You can go to southernindianaweather.com. Be sure to check out our newly redesigned website. You can go here and click on 10-day forecast, sponsored here by the Smile Center in Huntingburg, and then take a look at this. Gorgeous today. 77 degrees, sort of a sun and cloud mixed, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms through midday, turning partly cloudy in the afternoon with only an isolated storm chance later on. Bottom line, storm chances lessen up as you go throughout the day, but we're already ahead of schedule, and we may even be able to up that to say mostly cloudy through maybe mid-morning rather than midday and then turning partly cloudy. Regardless, it's going to be a pleasant day with just a few showers around the area. Partly cloudy tonight, but take a look at these temperatures, folks. You got to love that. And look, tomorrow. I told you tomorrow is the pick of the weekend. 78, mostly sunny skies. Virtually no humidity to speak of at all, a low of 55 under mostly clear skies. Monday is almost a wash, rinse, repeat kind of a day. Rain moves back in on Tuesday and Wednesday, but take a look at this. This is our warming trend, and we only get up to 80, 81 for our warming trend. So this is a very nice change compared to where we have been. But then take a look by next weekend, what I'm forecasting for the end of my 10-day period, folks. Look at this. 68 next Friday, mostly cloudy with showers and possible. Can you believe we're talking temperatures highs in the upper 60s already? Mostly sunny on Saturday with a high of 68, 70, and then warming up to 75. As I look through the rest of September, what I see right now in the data does not suggest anything where we go back to the heat that we have just been. It looks like we get into a below normal pattern as far as the eye can see right now over the next couple of weeks. So we will enjoy that. All right, folks. That is it for today's video update. If you are interested in sponsoring our video, by the way, we are looking for a new sponsor. We're also looking for a new sponsor for the Plan Your Day graphics that we put out daily. They look like this. Here's your Plan Your Day for today. It is sponsored today by For Heaven's Sake Gift Shop, but we'll be looking for a new sponsor for that very soon as For Heaven's Sake goes on to a different forecast package with us. So if you are interested in sponsoring a graphic like this, give me an email, southerninwx@gmail.com. Reasonable rates, and I'd love to talk with you. All right, that is it. Enjoy this absolutely gorgeous weather over this weekend, folks. I'm Meteorologist Michael Wilhite for Southern Indiana Weather. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.